How to edit posts on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to edit posts on Facebook. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply go to the profile section from the top left hand side corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply scroll down and you will be able to see all the posts that you have posted on your Facebook profile. And in order to edit your post, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the post itself that you would want to edit. And over here you will be able to see the option called edit post. Just simply tap on it, and now you have multiple options, like you can add the caption to this particular post, and you also have the option to make it public, and you can also show it to your friends only, and you can also share it with some specific friends as per your liking. You can also add AI labels to it. You can add post it as professional. You can fix the grammars. You can add more pictures if you want to from your library. And yeah, this is basically how you can edit the post after posting in your Facebook account. So this is basically how you will be able to do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.